Welcome back, everybody. Jim DeRemer here. I'm at Falls Creek Falls in Live Oak, Florida, and I have found a waterfall in Florida. You heard me right, a waterfall in Florida, and this one's naturally made. It's not a man-made one, so that should be pretty cool. So let's head on down to the trail and check it out. I'm heading down on the trail now. I can't remember exactly how long. I guess I should have looked at the map to see how far it is, but it's a boardwalk trail that winds through the woods and goes down to the waterfall. And there it is, the waterfall. Just kidding, that's not it. But I found the creek on the trail. The trail actually split off into two separate trails, and I'm not sure which one to go on, so I'm just gonna, I guess, go on both and see where it is. Well, I made it. I found the probably one of the only waterfalls in Florida. It's pretty cool, actually. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.